Yeah. C. C. We're better say it. C. C-O-U-J. C-O-U-G-A-R-S. We are the best. Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm here to say that yesterday I did something really crazy. Guess what? I rode the bus.
Okay.
I rode the bus, and it was pretty crazy because my dad has, I mean, I have a car, you know, it's a BMW and all that, and I bring my single ladies in my BMW, and we drive everywhere. But yesterday, I decided to be normal, like a normal person, because I'm tired of having money. And I'm tired of all this weird life I live. So I decided to go by bus to school. And it was not fun. I'll tell you that. And I broke a nail. but it's all good because my boyfriend, John.
Joshua.
My boyfriend, Josh. He's a football player. And he's the quarterback, and he won district. Okay, and I was cheering. All right, see you later, guys.